Right. Okay, put one piece of feather bar. Right. The other length one. Okay, take this length, this feather bar, put over here, and then clamp your workpiece. Now you clamp your workpiece. Once you touches the vise, you stop. Hold the job there and then tighten the job. Make sure you don't clamp on other surface. Clamp on the workpiece, the flat surface. And then tighten it. You see, the marking line is above the jaw by about 2 mm. So you're not supposed to mill the vice jaw. You're supposed to mill until the marking line there. Clear? So this one, after you make ready, tighten it tight. Our friend go and take out the cutter. Oh, who's number one? You go and take out the cutter. Alamak. You need a cutter, don't take out. Alright. Cutter fix up again. That. After that, release the brake. Okay, place a job, the cutting tool over here. Just take the pedal bar as a guide. Put it on the side of the job. Like this, and then once the cutter moves until it touches the pedal bar, stop. Okay, cross a bit, never mind. Alright, touches, stop. And put on the guard. Okay, this one, what must you do? When you do drilling, you unlock, right? But when this is a quill lock, this is the quill. So now we are no more doing drilling, like we are doing cutting. Milling, so must be locked down. Okay, speed, same thing, low, slowly raise up, make sure it's tightened tight. Hello, check, double check, tighten tight. Slowly bring out bit by bit until it touches the surface on top. Clear? Touches it, right? Move out. This is the vertical feet. Vertical feet is supposed to set the depth of cut. How many depth? What is the depth you want? So I set to 0 here. Locking ring, unlock it. Then set to 0 here. Okay, can you see the 0 in line with the marking there? Alright, after that, what you do? I move the job out. Then I raise the height. Half turn is about 1.2, 1.3. Then I cut across. This one no need to be exact, just half turn. 1 turn is 2.5. Half turn is about 1.3. Okay. Mill across. Slowly, don't rush. Alright. Come out already. Another half a turn. Okay, don't move too fast. Same thing, half a turn. And always double check, make sure that the thing is not loosened. Must make sure double check. After a while you double check. Okay, move across. Every time when the job is clear, that means out of the cutting tool, then you raise up. Alright? Then move across again. This part cannot rush. So you continue the same thing, repeat. Do a rough cut first until the 2 mm above the line. Then this again. Remember to wear your goggles, please. Okay, don't get yourself injured unnecessarily. After a few cuts, finish. Make sure double check. Always make sure it's tightened. Alright. Okay, make it a habit to check. Okay, still a few cut more. Right, 2 more cut. Every time half a turn, alright, half a turn is about 1.3, okay, 1.2. Okay, 1 more cut. So here, see I haven't reached the marking line. It's above 2 mm above the marking line. This is a rough cut only, okay? We haven't finished the size yet. I only cut to about, marking line is 30, right? Just I mark out 30, right? I cut out to about 31 or 32 like that. Alright? So it's above the marking line. You can see the marking line clearly. Alright, I haven't removed the marking line yet. Okay, now how about this part here? Alright, this one you don't touch. Now you move sideways. Alright, put back the guard. Set. Okay, X0. Now I move sideways, I cut 1 mm each cut. Okay, 1 mm, cut across. This one don't touch, the vertical feet. Okay, leave it like that, okay? Once you reach about 2 mm above the 30, leave it. Move sideways, side 0, cut across. 1 mm. See, chip, very sharp, don't let it fly into your eyes. 1 mm, cut across. 3 mm. See, okay? 4 mm. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. You can fit from both directions, no problem. 12. 13. 14. 15. Okay, currently about 16 mm, you stop. So, this one is only a rough cut only. Later I will show you how to do the finishing, alright? So you rough cut already. This one balance about 53 or 54. Around 54, okay? This one, the depth, same thing, you check, it should be around 32. That means not to size yet, it's only rough cut. After you rough, I will show you how to do the finishing. That means the finishing got mark, 30 mm got mark, 50 mm also got mark. If you cut underside, no mark, understand not? Okay? Any question? I'll go and do the. Before you put back the job, clean properly. Every time make sure the vice clean properly, no chip below. Then you check what is your dimension now. Check your own workpiece. Don't check other people's workpiece, your own workpiece. So this one is 31.9. Alright, I need to cut down to 30. Okay? Same thing, the other bar put back, clean properly. You are not supposed to put like this, unbalanced. Make sure you put, once you touches the vice side, enough already, okay? Then you tighten. Right? After tighten, put back the guard. Okay, start from here. Lower down a bit first, then bring to touch the surface. Up slowly, touch the surface. Okay, don't rush. After you touch, okay, after you touch a bit already, set to 0 here. So just now I check the reading something. My job 31.9. Okay, bring out 1 mm, cut across. Then move sideways, cut across. Not finished yet, another 0.9, okay, 1.9. So the tolerance maintain, alright. Slowly cut across. Okay, so this one don't touch. Once I reach the reading 30, don't touch. Now I move to the side. Remember your side, you cut until about 53 or 54. Some may be less than 53. Okay, so you just touch a bit. After you touch a bit, don't move away. Then this one move across. Finish. Stop the machine, measure first. Check what is the reading on the side here. Alright. Okay, so this one is 54.3. 54.3, I want to cut to 50. How many mm to cut? 4.3. So I set to 0. Okay, after measure your workpiece, you set to 0, you take the reading already. You know what is the reading you want to cut, right? Alright, so I set to 0 already. On. Cut 1 mm. Okay, this a bit behind, never mind, Alright. Okay, 1 mm. Remember, here the reading don't touch, don't lower down. 3 mm. 4 mm. Okay, 4.3, 4.3, Alright, cut across. Slowly cut across, then bring back. Okay, as usual, same thing before you take out the jogs. Double check. To make sure this one is 50. Check this way. On the dot, 50 mm. Okay, this one, make sure it's 30. Here is 30. It's 29.8, 29.9. Okay.